Welcome to the war room. What we're going to be doing is trying to pass a $50,000 combine with TopStep. And this is day one. And my account is at $50,000. And this
Order
is gonna be
filled.
my first trade of the day. My position brackets did not show up. I did not set it up. I wish I had. So now I'm going to freak out a little bit and add in my stop buys to act as my stop loss. But it's all right because we're almost immediately positive. Not really paying attention too much here. I'm just trying to figure out, hey, I forgot to do something. Do better next time. It's kind of stalling out here for me. I like the fast pace in and out. So I'm moving in.
Order filled.
Immediately, right off the bat. So, hey, here we are. Now I'm going to fix my position brackets. Use those. If you don't, you should. At least your stop loss, because the market is so, the right word, whippy. It'll whip you out. It'll whip you right out of the count. So definitely use stop loss. So yeah, this chart is same chart, just sped up a little bit. Here we go, fixing my brackets. 250 and 450. That's my personal preference for the ES trading one contract. The stop loss is a little tight for ES, but you'll see kind of the way I trade is very quick, very in and out. That 250 is basically, if it hits that, then I've just made a wrong decision. So I like it to hit that 250 and be out. A lot of times I'll take it out before it even gets to 250 if I don't like the way the trade's going. For years of looking at these charts, I've got a pretty good idea if I've made an oopsie or not. So yeah, now it's going to be sped up a little bit. Now I want to talk about the chart in the top left. Now this is a bot that I've coded. I guess it's not a bot, it's a signal bot. It's a computer program that works on Thinkorswim. Now those red arrows, I guess in the big picture of things, signal a sell at the close of that candle. And the yellow arrows that you see are potential reversal signs. It's not a perfect, hey, you see this red arrow, sell. No, it's just based off of price action. So that candle is closing below the close of the previous candle, so hey, you got pretty good momentum for whatever side those arrows are pointing to. And right up there was the red bars that on the 30-minute time frame is short and the 5-minute time frame is short. Those are both red right now, which means a short is in the direction of what I would like to be always in short right now. And this trade in particular was in a range. It broke through that range to the downside. And right now, I'm always in short, but I'm looking for this pullback to actually enter in short. I've got my short set at 68.15 right now, and I'm waiting for the pullback, but if it were to hit 68.15 right now, I would be out. I would be losing money. But anyways, yeah, and that circle up there is just kind of where I expected that it would get to. The pullback would get to that position. If it did, that would be kind of my ideal pullback sell setup. Here it goes. That chart in the top left, let's give me that red arrow. Hey, still blow that candle. I got a little bit of a late entry because I was actually working while trading, which is not great to do. It looks like
Order filled.
2 candles right there. It's kind of a double bottom, so I know there's going to be some stops right below this. So I kind of expect it to kind of whip right to the close of that last candle, not the last candle, but the 2 previous ones. Boom, there it is. I mean, good. So I'm going to immediately move to another $100. That's automatically 218 for the day or something. Yeah, it's starting to stall out, and it's close to that supply zone. So yeah, now it's at 112, and it hit.
Order filled.
So that's another win. 2 trades, 2 wins. Great. All right, now we've jumped. No, we haven't jumped. Yeah, so took it out there, and I'm gonna leave this in just to kind of show what happened afterwards, because I know a lot of people are like, you know, let the trade play out, this and that. Hey, that's fine if you want to be in a trade for 30 minutes. I do not. I know there's a potential this could drop, and I could make $1,000. Look, hey, that's just not me. If you want to do it, I have had some big trades. I've had some bad trades. Everybody's got their own way of doing everything. These people on TV, yeah, they got several $1,000 trades per trade. Good for you. Good for them. Look, this is realistic. $200-300 for one day is more than people make when they get up and go to work at a physical location. They work all day. So hey, I'm happy with $200-300 in one day. You know, some days will be more, some days will be negative. So my goal is $200-300. Hey, if I hit a $500-600 day, it's great, as long as you don't expect to do that every day, because that's when you will have your own mind fighting against you, playing mind games, and you're gonna lose. You know, it's just inevitable. There's a lot of trading psychology books out now, and there's a lot into that. If you're interested in trading, you need to get behind the psychology of it first, because one losing day can wreck your entire day, if not your entire week. You have to learn how to lose, and you also have to learn how to win. If you win and you get cocky, you will ruin your profits. If you have a buffer, you will blow your buffer. If you have an account, you will blow your account. It could go bad fast. You have to learn both. And looking back at this trade, I'm glad I got out. You could clearly see why. But anyways, we're gonna hit one more trade for the day. This is what I was talking about earlier. It's about 12:30. We're gonna jump to about 3 o'clock, just right before 3 o'clock. Here we go. The price came back up into that zone that it was at previously in the day. It was a heavy resistance zone, and it's making its way back down. Just bounced off the day. By the way, it's the only indicator that I use. And my top left chart, hey, it's got 2 red bars, always in short. It's got 2 red arrows for the last 2 candles. So at the close of this candle right here, I'm gonna be in at the close of this candle. One tick below it would be perfect. Here we go. Let's see if I do. One tick right below that candle.
Order filled.
Immediately. And then look, hey, it's almost perfect how quickly I'm in the profit. But it is 3 o'clock, things can happen, so
order filled.
That quick. So that's the end of day 1. Here's a snapshot of how it went. 100%, only 3 trades, $108 per trade. The $316 for the day. Not too bad for day 1. Thank you. Come back for day 2.